Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on autoclose on ChatGPT. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about ChatGPT app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.